And amid the controversy over Rome's refusal to send back its two Marines, the mayor of their hometown, Taranto, in Italy, has offered to provide education to the orphan children of the two Kerala fishermen. Mayor Epposio Stefano of Italian city of Toronto has written to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. The mayor says that his city is ready to welcome the unfortunate children of the two fishermen to study there. But the offer has not gone down well with the political parties in India, asserting that the real issue is the return of the Marines. Many, however, welcomed the humanitarian gesture to educate the children of the slain fishermen.
But it's very strange that you're trying to exchange butter, death with arms. I mean, this is just absolutely ridiculous. You kill somebody, and he has to be brought to justice. I mean, as it is, they should come ahead and say that we're going to look after the children, and not barter the innocent killing with something like arms, giving them a little bit of arms or whatever.
Those two accused will come to India and stand before trial. That is the issue, for which Italian government should behave responsibly, because Italian government should know it is dealing with India, a sovereign nation. The victims happen to be Indians, and the shooting took place on Indian waters, and their citizens are accused in this case. So, as a civilized nation, Italy should behave as a civilized nation. It should respect some international norms and conventions.
I think if any of these gestures are made in a manner that would try to lessen the tensions right now between Italy and India, because the Italian government has gone back on its words, solemn commitment they gave to our Supreme Court, then it's an unfortunate step. Apart from that, if it's a humanitarian gesture, I think it's a welcome gesture, but in no way will it or should it change either our country's stand vis-a-vis getting justice done, and it's ultimately for the courts to decide who the guilty is, and for Italy to act on its word, the commitment that their ambassador gave to our Supreme Court, that the Marines will come back once the whatever period they had been given to go back to Italy was come back and then face trial.